Hello everyone, my name is Vasu Jain. I am a student of Geeta Institute of Law of BBA LLB third year. So today I proudly feel to announce that I am a proud student of Geeta Institute of Law. I am feeling proud that I am studying in this institution because this institution is doing a lot for me. First of all, I would like to thank all the faculty, the authorities of Geeta Institute of Law as well as the Geeta Group who are providing such a wonderful opportunities to all the students of Geeta Group. Firstly, when I talk about my experience at Geeta Institute of Law, it is a wonderful experience. I am able to learn a lot of things from this institution. Most importantly, the institution is focusing on my personal grooming as well as professional grooming. So when we talk about the internships, because in our legal career I am pursuing law, so in our legal career internships are very important. So my college is doing a lot for my internships. When we talk about internship, my college is providing the internship to the students by conducting the internship fairs in the campus placement, in the campus itself. We are having an internship fair in the name of Prasikshan, and it is the fourth edition of the Prasikshan. And in this Prasikshan, that is internship fair, Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas, Khitan and Company, and many other many of the reputed law firms from India and many of the lawyers who are reputed lawyers are coming to our internship fair. And most importantly, the Manthan. Before this internship fair, the college has done a thorough research on its students, that how to groom the students and how to give the best out of them. So for this, the college has organized the Manthan, which is to just the main motive is to find the best out of the students of the Geeta Institute of Law. Under Manthan, we had a group discussion round, personal interview round, in which our basic grooming was the main focus of the college authorities. I would like to thank Prerna Davar ma'am, all the faculties of Geeta Institute of Law, who are a constant source of motivation and support to me. Thanks a lot.